Good evening. It is the last night of my vacation. It's Wednesday night, April 13th. I did not bring anything with me for my hair, not even a spray bottle. So my hair's pretty much been hanging like this, and you've seen my hair in previous videos. So what I'm doing now is preparing my hair for the night. I'm trying to get it to be a little thicker looking tomorrow morning. It is more settled now, it seems, than it's ever been, because I like the straightness of it, and that is just hanging down, if you notice here. So I'm wetting it right now as we speak, and I will show you what it looks like in the morning. I want to thank my subscribers for your support, and I want to encourage you to keep watching for new videos. If I haven't uploaded a video yet on alopecia or hair loss of my client speaking, then it will be in the next video. If I have, and you have not watched that video yet, I am going to put it in the cards right up here. But that has been one of my interests in the last month or so, is hair loss. I've seen it so often, and I am so concerned about it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these plaits in my hair and prepare to just relax for the rest of the evening. But I just wanted to bring you in to see this. That's what I'm doing. All I'm doing is wetting my head. The water is running, and I'm just letting it go all through as much as I can. Oh, somebody shot me with some water right on my head. Oh, man. What do you want to tell me? Huh? Hi.
Okay. Wait, how did you walk? Oh, Daddy! Look! Okay. Oh.
So, Alan Jr., who's going to be your team? Which team is yours?
The Warriors.
The Warriors?
Warriors.
And Joshua J., you just going to eat chips?
Wait, go back. Warriors! Hey, I'm ready. I'm big Warriors. What do you think? I'm the Warriors, boy. I'm the Warriors. Mommy, I'm the Warriors. Right. Oh, yeah! Shoot the butt! It's shaking the butt! Oh, my God.
Oh. You want to go to cave course or the island course?
Alan, do you want the cave course or the island course?
You want to do yellow or you want to do green?
Yellow.
Two hands.
Two hands. Swing it. Oh, yeah.
You got to hit it in the hole.
Where's the, I need to,
Yeah, go down there. Go down there. So when he finishes, he won't go too far.
Daddy, can you put this one back on the back first?
Oh, he hit it with his hands. I'm about to go in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Still wasn't a hole in one.
Base!
Yay!
One right here.
Right now, he going in the water.
Wait, nothing's in there. A golf ball is in there.
Now you see his head moving?
There's a golf ball in there. Yeah, there's a golf ball in there. Oh, there's a turtle. There's one. There's a turtle right there. There's one right there. Yeah. There's one that's sticking out his head. Oh, there's one right there. And another one. And another one. Look. Make sure you right there.
Yeah. He holding on with his feet.
No. Go, Joshua.
Keep right.
Joshua J, slow down, man.
Stand on this table, okay?
You gotta do it song.
You don't want to mess it up like this. Look. This part is right.
What's in there, Alan?
It might be a meat eater. It's a meat eater.
You think it's a meat eater?
Yeah. Wait, this is the right
I don't know.
here.
Is that how you find fossils?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that, Joshua? Okay. It is.
Alan, coming back this way.
Your head right in frame. Come on over here.
Come back this way, Alan.
That's it.
Color his whole this body.
Daddy, we only got to make T-Rex. This is not fair.
Joshua, do you want to come stand up here? No.
Go around here.
Okay, but this is going to be easier. This is going to be easier.
So we think we're supposed to get toys, bring toys around. Come on, guys.
Just get a water.
Mm-hmm.
Little drink fireplace.
Yeah. 'Cause they have pizza and everything, but I don't want pizza.
You got pizza at the house.